be our warm-up or appetizer for the next thing. Hopefully we don't have to do a lot of this. Yeah, we're starting a new thing. Well, actually, no, we still have to review our addition, subtraction, and multiplication, right? Okay. So we didn't touch on rounding. Anyway, so Paul, you were saying when you're rounding to a certain place, like this is the nearest tenth, right? Which guy are you interested in?
Half of 3. Place value.
You look at the tenth. The tenth is this, right? Okay.
Friendly little neighbor.
But you don't really, you just want to anchor that. You said, okay, wait there. I'll see what I have to do with you. Correct? Okay. And Paul said, you look at the neighbor.
You give him a kiss.
Okay. I put the I there. Okay. You look at the 5. 5 is 5. The rule is it's 5 or higher. What do you do? The 3 has to become a
4.
4.
Go yeah. Yes.
Okay? So it becomes 0.4. Can I write it as 0.40?
Yes.
Do you want to or not?
Yes.
Okay.
Makes more sense.
Makes more. Maybe it makes you feel like 35 became a 40.
Yeah.
Right? If you're happier that way, go ahead.
It makes, yeah,
Makes you feel that that's okay then. All right. If I want to round this to the nearest 1,
Same.
Next one.
0.00.
your eyes, you anchor the, well, you look at 0.35, right? Where will you go?
Look
To
at the
0.
Increase it's lower than.
Anchor the 0, but you have to look at the 3, correct? But the 3 is lower than 5, so therefore what happens to the 0? It stays as 0, right? Okay, so it will just be 0. Will it make you happier if you zero out everybody else?
Sure.
0.00.
Oh, that's crazy.
Understand?
No.
Or you just make it 0. 0.00 is the same as 0. Let's see this. Let's see if you
Wait,
understand
just
that.
because 3 is lower than 5, why is the whole
Yeah.
thing turning to
I
0?
don't get it.
Because.
To the nearest one.
Can have somebody help me explain
Why
that?
does round nearest 1 go in 5
Yeah.
increments?
Why wouldn't it go? Why wouldn't it go into like 34 or 36 or?
Well, because you're rounding to the 1.
It's like asking. So you're rounding.
If you have 35 cents, it's almost like you have nothing really. What can 35 cents buy?
It's like asking,
Something.
is 35 cents closer to
To $1?
0 or $1?
Ron, did you hear what Ron said? 0. In terms of money, if you have 35 cents, would you say you have $1?
No.
You don't have $1, right? So it's like
is
I
it
have
like that when it's
0.
always the nearest one? It's like that.
Yeah, nearest one. I will practice some more if you need more help with that. Okay, nearest one. Nearest tenth, then will be what? If you have the nearest tenth,
Wait.
you are deciding what to do with the 0, right?
It's obviously after the decimal.
So after the decimal,
Because you see TH, right? Nearest tenth, what will happen, Angela?
Look at the 8.
What happens to the other guys?
What?
Do I change the 250 point?
Yeah.
You don't have to. If you,
So where will you look? Which one are you
you're
anchoring?
gonna look on the.
You are looking at 0, this 0, right?
Oh no, the 0.
You are looking at this 0,
And you're gonna.
and you will look at its neighbor to the right. The neighbor to the right is 8, which is big, right? So therefore, what happens to that 0?
It goes to 1.
Should be 1, and the rest before on the left should stay as 250, right?
0.1.
0.1, and then all the rest will be 0. It's like if you have $250.08, right? Correct? Then you only have 250.10, something like that. Okay. What about if I forgot to put the TH? I didn't really forget. I
Before the
didn't. If
Before
there's
the
no
decimal.
TH, that means to say this is the whole number part, right?
Or the decimal.
So the nearest 10, really, let's see.
It's the 5.
Make it 260.
You are really looking at what?
The 5.
At 5, right?
And you look to the neighbor.
But the neighbor of 5 is 0, so what happens to the 5?
Stays 5.
Stays the same, so therefore the answer here is 250. Do I need to put point 0.00000?
No.
Question?
so when we have a decimal, we start counting ones, tens, hundreds.
There's
from-
no ones. It's tens.
Okay, tens. When we have a decimal, we start counting from tens from left to right. Not from.
Always from left to
Because
right.
when you have, when you have just plain numbers is from right to left, right? 1, 10, 100.
Yes.
Okay.
From whole, you mean not plain,
Whole
don't
numbers,
call
whole
them
numbers.
plain,
Yeah,
whole
whole numbers.
numbers,
Whole
okay?
numbers, 'cause
They're
that's why I
very
was
plain,
confused.
you're right. Did you hear what Miriam was asking, right? Yeah, remember we explained this before, right? So when we have whole numbers, we start counting here. This is what? Ones,
Ones, tens.
tens, right? Hundreds, right? Thousands, and so on and so forth. But on the other side of the decimal point, it's a different story. But you can kind of think of it as the reference point is the decimal point, right? You start counting from there,
From there.
okay? So from there, you count, if you're going to the left, you go moving left. Now, if you're counting now the right, you go moving right. So this will be what? There's no ones. The first one is tenths, right, with the THS, and then hundredths, and you know this,
So
okay?
moving to the left, there's a one spot always.
On the left of the decimal point is always the
Always
ones or
starts
the
with one
units.
spot.
There's always a ones,
Right.
but there's no
No
ones.
ones after the
Okay? There are ones, but no ones. Alright.
Because I look at it like money. It's a penny and less than a penny, less than a
Like
penny.
who cares,
It's-
right?
Yeah, it's just
Yeah.
no value.
Yeah, everything
I mean,
is.
to accountants there is some sort of value, but
I think you will understand decimals if you just look at this as money,
money
right?
as money.
So if the question said 251 and you said round to the nearest 10, you look at the 5, and if the to the right was a 1, you go back to 250 anyway.
It's still 250.
And if it was a 5, you go to 260?
If there's a 5, it's 260. It's like if you have $251, you think I have about $250, right? If you have 257, it's like I have $260. That's the rounding thing, right? Rounding up. So now if it's hundredth, yeah, you have to exaggerate
Back
this.
to the right.
Hundredth. Which one should I anchor
Look
first?
at the 8.
I'm looking at the 8, right? So if it's hundredth, I'm looking at I anchor the 8. You say, hold on, wait, let me decide what to do with you, right?
His friend.
And I look at 7.
It's
Alright.
900 then.
900.
7, then that 8 has to go up to 9. You understand? So it's 250.09, and then the rest will just become
0.
zeros if you wish. And again, that's a good way of looking at it. 876 became 900. Then maybe you're convinced, right? If I have 876, it's about 900. Okay? On the other hand, if I do not put the TH, I just say nearest 100.
Same thing, back to the 5.
100. I go to the left of the decimal point. Left, right? I'm looking at the number 2. I tell number 2, wait, let me check who's next to you,
So
right?
300.
Okay?
300.
Who's next to 2 is 5. The rule is if it's 5 or more, you make the 2 into a 3. So it will be 300. Is rounding okay?
Yes.
Do we need to talk about it somewhere or you're good? You're good, right? Hopefully you say yes, enough, boring already, so let's